In today's video, I'm giving you 5 tips to modernize your outdated furniture, and I have a really great giveaway for hitting a huge milestone. Let's go. Hi, I'm Kara with Lemons to Lemonade Furniture. I'm a crazy busy homeschool mom who hates credit card debt and does everything I can to stay out of it, and that means flipping furniture. Come join me out in the garage and I'll show you how it's done. In today's video, I have picked a very common dresser that many people have or have had in their own homes. And even though it's built to last, this style is just no longer, well, in style. Wait till you see what this can be changed into. It's pretty easy, and with 5 simple steps, you won't believe this end result.
I am most certainly not reusing any of this hardware, so this is all gonna go in the trash today. Sorry if you were like really attached to this and thought that these were cool, but this isn't gonna fly.
This piece has been sitting in my garage for a really long time, so it's gotten quite dirty. I use Simple Green to clean all of my pieces. It's a really great degreaser, and if you're going to paint furniture, you've got to make sure that all that dirt and grime is off before you start. I flipped the matching tall boy dresser to this set in my Ugly Duckling challenge. I think it was last month. It was the one that was covered in paint stripper and left to dry. I'll link that video below if you haven't seen it, and that way you can see what else you can do with furniture that is styled like this.
I don't like these big trim pieces on here. I think it makes the project look really dated. So I'm going to remove these and see what's underneath. On today's project, I'm going to be using Citri-Strip. I'll put this on the surface of the dresser and cover it with plastic wrap because in Texas in the heat it's going to dry out really fast and you need to keep it moist. So once it's sat on for about 30 minutes, I can come back and take this off.
Another thing I really like about using the saran wrap is I scoop up all the stripper into it and I can wrap it all up when I'm done and dispose of it properly, which helps make cleanup really easy.
My channel recently hit 600,000 views. And as promised, as a way to say thank you this month, I am giving away my favorite products.
And first up, something that I get asked about so frequently is my favorite masks from RZ Masks. RZ Masks has partnered with me on this video and this giveaway, and one of my viewers is going to receive their very own RZ mask set. An RZ mask, a set of replacement filters, and a bottle of mask cleaner. They are lightweight, very durable, and they have great breathability. I love that I can adjust the nose clamp to fit my face, and it also allows me to wear my glasses without them fogging up. They have an awesome Velcro design for the back of my head, which is super comfortable when I have a long day of painting or sanding. It is so much better than my other bulky mask that I was used to wearing. All you have to do to enter for this giveaway is subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment below letting me know what you like about today's flip, and you're going to be entered in the giveaway. If you are not chosen or you're seeing this video after we've picked a winner, do not fear. RZ Mask has given me a coupon code for 10% off for my viewers. You can enter the code LEMONS at checkout. Just follow this link below and grab your mask today.
It's the end of the day. It's getting too hot. I am done. But one last step. Just need to put some mineral spirits on the chemical stripper to deactivate it, and we'll let this dry overnight. All right, we're on to day number 2. Today I got up a little earlier to beat this heat. We're gonna start sanding the top today, so I started with an 80 sanding pad, and we'll work our way up from there so that it is nice and smooth. This is not a veneer top, it is all wood. I'm gonna show you how I know that, so I can be a little more aggressive with my sanding today. All right, so now I need to patch the holes that are on the drawers because I'll definitely be replacing that really ugly hardware. So I'm trying a new product to me. It's DAP plastic wood, and this actually has like wood fibers inside of it, so it looked really interesting. I wanted to give it a try. We have our house on the market, so my garage is like packed full of projects that I'm trying to finish just in case our house sells. So don't mind my mess today as we continue on with this.
Once the wood filler is dry, I'll take my 3x4 Surfprep sander to smooth it out.
Now that I've got my top sanded down and ready to go, I'm gonna flip this guy over and start sanding down the base. You know, if you watch my channel, I normally do something with the base. I usually cut it apart or add legs or do something crazy. But by doing these small little changes to the bases of these dressers, can usually make $100 to $200 difference for me when the sale price comes along, because that's just a hot commodity here in Dallas. Is just something different. So this piece is gonna have a bit more of a rustic feel. It's a little too heavy on the top to add legs to this guy, so we're just gonna fancy it up a bit by sanding down the base.
Now that everything's been sanded down and cleaned off, we are ready to paint. In today's flip, I'm going to be using Lilly Moon Paint's Opulent collection in the color Ocean Shore. So it's like a bluey gray. You can kind of see it in there. It's not mixed up yet.
but it is so beautiful on the outside, and I plan on using one of her gel stains on top, which is going to match this perfectly. Her new Opulent collection is low VOC. It is a primer and a poly built into one, so this is going to save me some extra steps. The jar says that it's an acrylic water-based paint. It has some advanced stain blocking technology in it as well. So this piece is definitely a bleeder. So I would normally prime this piece, but according to this, it says it's going to do the job for me. So I'm excited to try this out.
I'll be using Lily Moon Vintage Gel Stain on the top and the bottom of this dresser. Lily Moon's gel stains are water-based, and I really like that you can blend the colors together to get your own perfect shade. I've chosen a mixture of Old Fashioned and Natural Cork in the Lily Moon Vintage Gel Stain colors. This will be the perfect fit for this top. I found the best way to work with these gel stains is to wet the top of your project just a little bit. This will ensure that you have plenty of time to work with your gel stain. I like to apply this gel stain with my Zebra Palm Pro brush. It holds plenty of product and it ensures that I get this applied quickly. Once I've got the color on, I wipe it back, and then you can keep on applying layers until you're happy with the final color. I put my gel stain on last night and let this sit overnight. I went with just one coat of the Old Smoky gel stain, and I really like the coverage that I'm getting on this, and the color that's on it is pretty perfect for this piece. But the gel stain has a built-in top coat in it, which is awesome, but this is going to be a dresser, so I want something that's a little more, I don't know, that can hold up a little better. So the gel stains say if you need something stronger that you can use their product Stellar Shield by Lily Moon paint. So I'm going to use some of my Stellar Shield, and I'm going to apply it with my poly sponge here and just do the top of this dresser for an extra protection. A big shout out to Butch, who was our Amazon wishlist supporter this month. It is so much fun to get happy mail from you guys, and it is so appreciated. It's the third and final day finishing up this dresser. I am using my hardware template that's from Amazon to find the perfect place for my new hardware that I've chosen for the dresser. Let's take a look back at how this dresser started before its modern facelift. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in today. Don't forget to enter our RZ mask giveaway. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next week for another profitable flip on Lemons to Lemonade Furniture.